Very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Math Teachers Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss examples of exercise 7D of class 10. Examples of exercise 7D of class 10 chapter triangles. So, first examples number 9. In the given figure, the perpendicular from A on side BC, from द परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम ए से एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया गया है ऑन द साइड बीसी साइड पर ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल ए बी सी. ओके, इंटरसेक्ट बीसी एट डी. ये जो परपेंडिकुलर ए डी है वो बीसी साइड को डी पॉइंट पे क्या कर रहा है, इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है. बीसी एट डी सच दैट कि बी डी इक्वल टू 3CD. इस प्रकार इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है कि बी डी इक्वल टू क्या है, डी बी इक्वल टू 3CD. प्रूव दैट कि 2AB स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2AC स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. गिवन a triangle ABC in which AD is perpendicular to BC, AD is perpendicular to BC and BD equal to 3CD. Okay, prove that 2AB square equal to, prove that 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Okay, so let's start proofs. So first of all students, given BD equal to 3CD, given BD equal to 3CD, we write BC equal to, side BC equal to BD plus CD. Side BC equal to, we write BC equal to BD or plus CD and BD equal to 3CD. So 3CD and plus CD equal to 4CD. Okay, so CD equal to 1/4 BC, equation first. Okay, so and now in right triangle ADB, in right triangle ADB, angle ADB equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to AD square plus BD square, equation first by Pythagoras theorem. And now in right triangle ADC, in right triangle ADC, angle ADC equal to 90 degree and by Pythagoras theorem AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. This is the equation 2 and this is the equation 3. Okay, and now second minus third, equation second minus third. So AB square minus AC square, AB square minus AC square, AD square plus BD square minus AD square plus CD square. Okay, so this implies AB square minus AC square, AB square minus AC square equal to AD square plus BD square and remove bracket, sign change, minus AD square and minus CD square. Minus AD square plus AD square is cancelled. So we have BD square and minus CD square. Okay, so BD equal to 3CD. Okay, BD equal to 3 CD are given in the question. So 3 CD का whole square और minus CD का square. 3 3 या 9 CD square and minus CD square equal to 8 CD square. So 8 CD square, 8 CD square, and we write CD square equal to from equation first. From equation first, CD equal to 1 by 4 DC. CD equal to 1 by 4 DC. So from equation first, 1 by 4 DC का whole square. Okay? From equation first. Okay? And 8 multiply 1 by 16 BC square, and 8 2 ja 16, 1 by 2 BC square. Okay? And here AB square minus AC square equal to 1 by 2 BC square, and 2 here for 2 AB square minus 2 AC square equal to BC square. So prove that कि 2AB square equal to 2AB square equal to minus 2AC square side change plus 2AC square and plus BC square. Okay. Good. Students, next example of exercise 7D is 11 number. So 11 number questions. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is right angled at B. So given figure ABC at right angle at B, and D is the midpoint of BC. So D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. Then prove that the AC square equal to 4AD square. 4AD square minus 3AB square. Okay. So given कि triangle ABC right angle triangle at right angle at B. Okay. So let's start solution. First of all, in right triangle ABD, in right triangle ABD at angle B equal to 90 degree. So AD square equal to AB square plus BD square by Pythagoras theorem. So BD square equal to AD square minus AB square. Okay, equation first. Now in right triangle ABC, at angle B equal to 90 degree. So in big right angle triangle ABC. So AC is the hypotenuse, and we write कि AC square equal to AB square and plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. So AB square and BC, क्योंकि D is the midpoint of side BC. So BD equal to DC and AD is the median. D is the midpoint of DC. So BD equal to CD. So we write BC equal to 2BD. DC equal to 2BD. So 2BD का whole square equal to AB square and plus 4BD square. Okay. 4BD square and AB square plus AB square plus 4BD square, 4 and BD square, BD equal to from equation first, BD square equal to AD square minus AB square. So AD square minus AB square from first. Okay. So AB square plus 4AD square and minus plus minus 4 AB square. So now AC square equal to AB square plus 4AD square and minus 4 AB square, minus 4 AB square. So we write minus 4ab square and plus ab square minus 3ab square. So 4ad square minus 3ab square. Okay, so ac square equal to 4ad square or minus 3ab square. Hence AC square equal to 4ad square minus 3ab square. Okay. Next examples number 12 of exercise 7b. In an isosceles triangle ABC, isosceles triangle, any two sides of a triangle are equal. Any two sides of a triangle are equal in an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. So, students, ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB and AC are equal. Okay, and BD is perpendicular to AC. BD is perpendicular to AC. Prove that कि BD square minus CD square equal to 2 CD into AD. Okay, so now let's start solution. First of all, given a triangle ABC, isosceles triangle, in an isosceles triangle, given in an isosceles triangle ABC, in which AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC, and BD is perpendicular to AC. Okay, to prove that BD square minus CD square equal to 2 CD into AD. Okay, so let's start proof. Okay, first of all, in right triangle ADB, in right triangle ADB, in which angle ADB equal to 90 degree. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem we write कि AB square equal to AD square and plus BD square. Okay, AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. So we write AB square equal to AC square because AB and both are equal sides of triangle ABC. So AC square equal to AD square and plus BD square. Okay, and here AB equal to AC. Since AC equal to, we write AD and plus CD, या CD और plus DA, AD. So AC CD and plus AD का whole square. We write because AC equal to CD plus AD equal to AD square and plus BD square. Since AC equal to AD or plus CD. Okay, so B का whole square. So CD square plus AD square or plus 2 CD into AD. Okay, equal to AD square and plus BD square. So AD square and AD square are cancelled, and now BD square minus CD square depending on this side. So BD square and CD square को हम उस साइड में भेज देंगे, तो माइनस CD square इक्वल टू 2 CD into AD, 2 CD into AD. Okay, so we have proved that कि BD square minus CD square equal to 2 CD into AD. Hence BD square minus CD square equal to 2 CD into AD. Okay. Students, next questions, example number 15 of exercise 7D. Okay. Triangle ABC is a right triangle. Triangle ABC is a right triangle in which angle C equal to 90 degree. Okay. And CD perpendicular to AB. CD is perpendicular to AB. CD is perpendicular to AB. Okay. If BC equal to A, and CA equal to B, AB equal to C, okay, and CD equal to P, then prove that CP equal to AB, and second 1 by P square equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Okay, so that's very simple, and let's start solution. So first of all, area of triangle ABC. Okay, first of all, area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle equal to half into base multiply altitude. 1 by 2 multiply base multiply altitude or heights. So area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 multiply base, first of all, base BC. So BC and the corresponding heights is AC. Okay students, so we write 1 by 2 multiply BC equal to A and multiply AC equal to B equal to half AB. Okay, equation first. And now again area of triangle ABC. Equal to 1 by 2, and here base is AB, and the corresponding heights is CD. So CD equal to 1 by 2 and AB equal to C and CD equal to P. Okay, so 1 by 2 CP, equation second, and from equation 1 and 2 we get LHS is equal, students, area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ABC. So RHS is also equal. So half AB equal to half CP. Half is cancelled. So hence CP equal to AB. Good. Okay. Now we have proved CP equal to AB. Okay. So AB, we write C by AB equal to 1 by P. AB को अगर इक्वल टू के इस साइड में अगर हम सेंड करते हैं तो वो कहाँ जाएगा, डिवाइड में, एंड P को इधर भेजेंगे तो कहाँ जाएगा, डिवाइड में, तो 1 by P. ओके, सो वी राइट कि 1 by P इक्वल टू C by AB. ओके, एंड स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड. So 1 by P square equal to C square by A square B square. Okay, and 1 by P square equal to C square. So C square we write in right triangle ACB AB square equal to AC square and plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem, and we put the value of AB equal to C square equal to AC equal to B square, and plus BC equal to A square. Okay, so here we write C square equal to B square plus A square, yeah, A square plus B square. Okay, and by A square B square, and separate A square by, we write B square, and plus B square by A square B square. B square each cancel, and A square each cancel. So 1 by B square and plus 1 by A square. Hence root 1 by P square equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Okay. Next example number 16 of exercise 70. Okay. So in an equilateral triangle, so first of all we draw a diagram. A triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. A, B and C. In an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal in a triangle. Okay, so AB, AC and BC, all sides are equal, and each angle equal to 60 degree. So 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. Okay, prove that 3 times the square of one side. 3 times the square of one side. Okay, so one side, any side. So 3AB square. 3AB square. It is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitudes. So first we draw altitudes AD. AD is the altitude, AD is the perpendicular to BC. So 4 AD square. Okay. So now, first of all, in an equilateral triangle ABC, in an equilateral triangle ABC, in which AB equal to BC equal to AC and angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to 60 degree. And to prove that 3AB square equal to 4AD square. Okay. Now let's start proof. Students, first of all, in triangle ADB and triangle ADC, in triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Okay, so ADB is triangle and ADC this triangle. Angle B equal to angle C. Angle B equal to angle C equal to 60 degree. Okay, and AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC, and angle ADB equal to angle ADC equal to 90 degree. So triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC, angle side. Okay, so we write BD equal to DC, CP CD, BD equal to DC. So चूंकि BD equal to CD equal to half BC, so equation first. And in triangle, right triangle ADB, in right triangle ADB, in which angle ADB equal to 90 degrees. So AB square equal to AD square or plus BD square. Okay, so AB square equal to AD square and plus BD equal to, we write 1/2 BC का whole square. Okay, so we write AD square plus 1/4 BC square. Take LCM, 4 AD square and plus BC square. AB square equal to 4 AD square plus BC square by 4. So 4 AB square equal to 4 AD square and plus BC square. So we write BC square equal to, AB, and this implies 4 AB square equal to 4 AD square and plus we write BC equal to AC. So BC equal to AB. So AB square, चूंकि BC equal to AB. Okay, and AB square is here, both AB square minus AB square equal to 4 AD square. This implies 4 AB square minus AB square, 3 AB square equal to 4 AD square. Okay, hence